Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Venom Pool Marvel Legends KO. This is a knockoff or bootleg version. Shoutout nga pala kay Cirque Light Collectibles. Sa kanya ko nabili to and super ganda ng figure. Okay, so first step, mag-spray muna tayo ng Bosti number 4 flat black for our primer so that our paints will stick to the surface. And then we are going to use intense violet for the first layer of dry brushing. And for every project, hindi ko iniisip yung smaller details. So let's start. I'm also always starting with big brushes and then medium brushes and then we go to the finer details. Last part na yung mga smaller details, smaller sections na ipipaint natin. So let's start with big, medium to small. Then next color is cobalt blue. Same thing, same process, dry brushing ulit. Next paint is Hero Cobalt Blue naman. Ay, Coral Blue pala. Alright, so same thing pa rin. Dry brushing method pa rin yung gagamitin natin. So nag-add lang tayo ng layers and layers of colors dito kay Venom Pool. Alright, after that's done, Patina Blue naman. Shoutout to Hero Paints for sponsoring this video. Super cool paints, and kung if you want to know more, if you want to know more about Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Shopee or Lazada page. Ang dami nilang colors, may mga metallic, fluorescent. I really love yung kanilang range ng blue. Super nice ng ng blue range nila, tulad nitong patina blue, coral blue, tsaka yung coral blue, yung cobalt blue. Yan. Yan. Next, talagay na natin yung symbol or icon ng skull. And then next step, mag-add lang tayo ng darker sections using intense violet and black. Para lang ma-differentiate yung kanyang suit dun sa muscle section. And then next, steel paint para lang magkaroon ng additional highlights dun sa suit niya. And then I added the McFarlane Toys na mga munition pack. I think this is version 2. And meron din siya mga swords or katana blades, katana para dun sa kanyang weapon set. So meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Siguro mga 8 additional accessories. Actually, ang dami ko nang inad na McFarlane Toys set dito eh. Actually, nabili na pala to. Thank you very much, client. Binili na rin ni client after kong i-customize din to. This goes for around 230 USD. Thank you very much, client. Thank you very much. So, yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun na yung ating tutorial dito sa Venom Pool. So, dun sa mga toxins naman, gumamit ako dyan ng fluorescent range nila. Fluorescent yellow and fluorescent green. Ayan, ang dami ang accessories. Ayan. Thank you very much, Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Clyde Collectibles. And thank you din, client, for buying this. So, yun lang mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.